Is buying 100% recycled sterling silver made in the UK really worth it? When you can order silver wire online in seconds and have it shipped from almost anywhere, it's a fair question. So why do we make our own here at Cooksongold? Why melt it, alloy it, test it, draw it and refine it when we could simply import it like everyone else? Our story dates back over 700 years. Silver in England was required to be tested by independent guardians, an early form of consumer protection built on trust. That principle continues today through the 1973 Hallmarking Act. In the UK, sterling silver must be 92.5% pure, independently tested and hallmarked, especially on pieces over 7.78 grams. If we sell sterling silver, it must comply, and if you use our sterling silver wire, it will have been tested and verified. That's why making it ourselves matters. By adding 7.5% copper to pure silver, we create an alloy that's malleable yet strong enough for everyday wear. Producing a wide range of smooth, consistent wire in multiple sizes and shapes, all with the correct alloy balance, takes a level of revision, so we test it extensively. We inspect the initial pour for surface pitting. We confirm the alloy ratio through the assay service. As cast bar becomes rod and rod becomes wire, it's annealed at every stage to maintain structure and consistency. We test tensile strength. We analyse the grain structure in the lab. Then we verify it again in the assay office. For years, we've recycled silver and gold and manufacture using 100% recycled precious metals. Silver can be melted and realloyed again and again without losing quality. By using metal already in circulation, we reduce mining demand, cut energy use, and minimize environmental impact. As a result, it holds the same 92.5% purity, the same performance, and a smaller footprint. All of it happens here in Birmingham's historic Jewellery Quarter, the heart of British jewellery making for over 250 years. For more than a century, Cooksongold has supplied the jewellery industry with precious metal products, tools and expertise, supporting makers at every level. One historic quarter, generations of skill. Because nothing compares to knowing where your silver comes from, how it's made and who stands behind it. So is 100% recycled, UK-made sterling silver worth it? If quality, compliance, heritage and responsibility matters to you, it speaks for itself.